Hi, mathematicians. This is our math lesson for today. So, if you could have your math notebook, your pen, and your pencil ready, we'll work on this number story together. I'll give you just a second to go grab that if you want to pause the video. All right, welcome back. I hope you gathered your materials that you need. Now, before we start our math number story today, if you have your work from the last number stories that we did together, I want you to turn to those pages because those are some strategies that you can take a look back on and you can use those same strategies today. Let me turn back in my math notebook here. Oh, I remember the last time we were missing a piece of our number story. Remember, we knew that there was 3, and then we knew that we ended up with 8, and remember we had to find the missing number. So we used a picture strategy. I remember up here I used a 10 frame, but then I said no because I wanted to show it with X's and O's, not just O's. So I used a 10 frame strategy. I remember Noel used the tally mark strategy. We also had the number sentence strategy. And I remember Alok, he also did a picture strategy, but remember he counted on and then he circled the ones that we counted on and we got to 5. And then we also used the number line strategy and we counted on the number line and got the same answer. So these are some same strategies that I can use today. So now let's turn to our number story for today. I'm going to read the number story and then I'm going to work together with you while you're watching this video to draw and write out some strategies that we could use to solve this number story. Let's read it. It says, I found 7 shells on the beach. 7. Some shells got washed away. I didn't say how many, right? That's what we have to figure out. I had only 2 shells left. How many got washed away? All right, let's go back to the beginning. First, I found 7 shells, right? Let's use our picture strategy first, and let's draw 7 shells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're just drawing a simple picture, right? It says some shells got washed away. I don't know how many got washed away. But after that, I had only 2 shells left. What could we do on this picture to show I only had 2 shells left? I think we could circle 2 shells, right? Or put a box around 2 shells because those are the shells I had left. Let's put a box around the first 2 shells. 1, 2. That's how many I had left. Now I can see how many got washed away. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I had the answer 5. Give me a thumbs up if you also had 5. 5 shells got washed away out of the 7 that I collected. So we used a picture strategy, okay? Let's do one more strategy. Let's use our number line strategy. So let's draw our number line. And I started with 7, so let's do our number line up to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I know I had 7 shells, right? So let's start on 7. Some shells got washed away. I don't know how many, but I ended up with 2, right? 2's way down here. I ended up with 2. I wonder if we count between 2 and 7, if that gives us the answer 5, like we got up here. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It does. 5 shells must have got washed away. If you have another strategy to add, go ahead and add that onto your math notebook today. And when we meet on Monday for math, I'd like you to share some strategies that you thought of. You should show at least 2 strategies to solve a number story. Today we used a picture strategy and a number line strategy. If you want to do some more fun math work today, friends, when you're done watching this video, go grab the deck of cards that I got for you or the 2 dice and think, what's a fun math game that I could play with either by myself or with my family today and practice in a fun way. Have a happy Friday, friends. I'll see you Monday. Bye.